Hopefully this little guy will stay here for a while. This is my smallest little variety of woodpecker. And I think, yeah, this is the female. They're very, very spooky little creatures. They don't like other birds coming. Very flighty. Well, they're little guys. I like the way he sticks his head all the way down into that mesh feeder to get to that suet. So cute. I'm surprised he stayed here this long. Go lay down. Go lay down. My dogs. Sometimes they come in and scare him away. Didn't think I was telling the bird to go lay down, did you? Oh boy. I know this must seem boring to some people, but I just find them very fascinating. And to be able to see them feed like this and this close, it's amazing. You'll have to excuse the quality because I'm shooting through a window and a screen, and it's almost dusk. Good little guy. He's going to give me the entire recording. Ain't that cool? What a blessing. God's creatures. We're all responsible for them. They give me so much joy. I'm really happy that I can help God take care of His creatures on earth. What a blessing. Truly cute. Well, hopefully one day I'll get one of the males.